Oh, tiny toes. Big nose, small nose? I predict mischief. Oh my gosh! Baby will be a snack thief just like me!
What about Ethan?
No! That name is boring. Pick something fun.
Oh my
Baby, speak up. You need a rock star name. I can't. I'm gonna drop the pole.
Oh no!
I'm the Parrot! Baby! Baby, the Parrot!
Oh my god.
You are strong. You are brave. You are swatty.
Oh my god.
Believe it in yourself. And exceed!
Oh no! That's too good. Oh, that's too good.
Oh, baby, you're lucky. You're gonna get fired on your first day. Hurry up. I already called your boss.